Today, now we are going to discuss about Android architecture. So, Android architecture plays a vital role, how it works. So, entire Android operating system is work based on this architecture. It mainly comprises of four different components. From bottom to top, we say Linux kernel, that will be the bottom of our, and from that libraries, and third one application framework, and last one is application. So from the thing, Linux kernel is the bottommost layer. It comprises of drivers. So drivers is the enabler, software enabler. It makes the hardware component to work maximum. So that is what kernel device, that is device drivers will be installed in. Next thing is libraries. So library file, it comprises of large amount of Android libraries so that we can develop our own apps in this environment. So library files will be stored in the library section. And third one, we call it as application framework. Here, activity manager, one who manages the activity. Content providers will be there. Resource managers, Windows manager, view system and location manager. So this will be there in the application framework. In that application framework, it will be having the entire how the application enabled application work. Library file will be having the which are the enable factors to design the application, and the application framework will how the application works. And the designed application will be stored in the application. So now we will be seeing one by one how it works. So first one, Linux kernel, it is a heart of an operating system where it has the drivers comprised of memory management, power management will be done in the kernel thing. Next, libraries. That library consists of OpenGL, SQLite. So OpenGL is graphics. WebKit is used for displaying the web page. Media framework is for securing the socket layer. Audio, video will be multimedia type of application will be there in the media framework. Secure socket layer will consist of the libraries. So next, Android libraries consist of Dalvik VM. So Dalvik VM we have discussed, that is Dalvik virtual machine, like a Java virtual machine. Dalvik virtual machine is used for running the Android applications. So next, Android libraries. So we will be using this library in our programs to design the apps. For designing the apps, we require the Android libraries, Android.app, Android.content, Android.database, Android.opengl, OS, text, view, widget, WebKit. So these are the different libraries we will be using. So widget consists of UI components. WebKit is used for web-based operations. Next, application framework. It consists of activity managers. There's application life cycle. So we'll be discussing activity life cycle of Android. So we'll be discussing more in that activity manager. So next, content provider, publish and share the data to the application. Then resource manager consists of embedded and non-embedded, like color settings can be done. That all will be managed by the resource manager. Notification is used for displaying the alert message. If you see WhatsApp notification will be coming, that is all managed with the notification manager. Next thing, view system consists of viewing the system, creating the application interfaces. Can be seen. Next, applications such as contact, books, browser, games, everything will be having the application. So this is about the Android framework. Okay, thank you.